Hello everyone, myself Harismita Reddy. I'm currently pursuing first year computer science engineering. Today I will be presenting you and showing you how to remove a white space in a string. Now let's get started with the presentation. Before that, don't forget to like the video. Now the topics we are going to cover in this presentation are introduction, using iStrip, using replace, using split and join, using strip, using rstrip, using regular expressions, handling multiple white spaces, ignoring specific characters, dealing with mixed white spaces, performance considerations, error handling, use cases, real-world examples, and lastly the summary. Now, introduction. Removing whitespace in a string is a common task in Python. Whitespaces include spaces, tabs, and newline characters. It is essential for data cleaning and text processing tasks. Using strip, the strip method removes leading and trailing whitespace from a string. It does not modify the original string but returns a new string. The example of using the strip is given here. For example, text is equal to and hello world can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to text dot strip. Using iStrip, the iStrip method removes only leading whitespace from a string. It can be useful when you want to clean up the beginning of a line or text. For example, text is equal to Python is awesome can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to text.istrip. Using rstrip, the rstrip method removes only trailing whitespace from a string. It is handy when you need to clean up the end of a line or text. For example, text is equal to and Python is cool can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to text.rstrip. Using replace method, the replace method can be used to remove specific whitespace characters. You can replace spaces, tabs, or any other character with an empty string. For example, text is equal to and Python is fun can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to text.replace. Using regular expressions offer powerful options for whitespace removal. The re_sub function can be used with regex patterns to replace whitespace. For example, import re text is equal to Python is amazing can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to re_sub. Here, some other examples of regular expressions are removing leading white spaces in a string is string.lstrip, removing trailing white spaces in a string.rstrip, removing leading and trailing white space in a string.strip, removing all white spaces in a string.replace, re.sub, and string.split, removing duplicate white spaces in a string.split. Using split and join method. The split method can be used to split the string by whitespace. Then the join method can be used to join the split parts without whitespace. For example, text is equal to Python is fun can be cleaned using clean underscore text is equal to dot join text dot split. Handling multiple white spaces. Sometimes strings have multiple white spaces that needs to be reduced to a single space. Techniques like split and join or regex can help in such cases. Regular expressions with /s plus can be particularly useful. Ignoring specific characters in a whitespace in a string. In some cases, you may want to remove only specific types of whitespace. Using conditional checks or regex patterns can help exclude certain characters from removal. This can be useful when dealing with special formatting requirements. Dealing with mixed whitespace. Strings may contain a mix of spaces, tabs, and new lines that need to be cleaned. A combination of methods like strip, replace, and regex can be used to handle mixed whitespace. Testing with different scenarios is crucial to ensure all whitespace is removed correctly. Performance considerations. When dealing with large strings or processing many strings, performance is important. Some methods like strip, istrip, and rstrip are faster for simple cases. Regex operations may be slower but offer more flexibility for complex whitespace removal. Error handling in removing a whitespace in a string. It's essential to handle edge cases and potential errors when removing whitespace. Consider scenarios where the input string may be empty or contain unexpected characters. Implementing try except blocks or input validation can enhance the robustness of your whitespace removal code. Use cases. Whitespace removal is commonly used in data preprocessing, text normalization, and string formatting. It can help clean up user input, standardize text for analysis, or improve the presentation of text data. Understanding different methods for whitespace removal allows for efficient text processing in various applications. Real-world examples. E-commerce platforms often clean product descriptions by removing extra spaces and tabs. Social media platforms use whitespace removal to standardize user-generated content. Search engines normalize input queries by cleaning up whitespace for accurate search results. Now, the summary of this presentation is removing whitespace in a string is essential for data cleaning and text processing tasks in Python. Methods like strip, replace, regex, split, and join offer versatile options for whitespace removal. Consider performance, error handling, best practices, and real-world use cases when implementing whitespace removal. Thank you for staying with me till the end, and don't forget to like the video.